Do you want to become a data scientist with no prior experience? Do you have a career gap and want to restart your career in data science but don't know how to start, what to do, and how to begin with? Are you an underpaid professional and want to transition your career into data science? If your answer is yes to any of the above questions, you must watch this video until the end. Artificial intelligence and machine learning in the space of data science has been in tremendous demand. The demand has already surpassed the supply by 60% year-on-year basis, and there is a 400% growth in data science space every year as per NASSCOM Research Report 2022. Now, this is the best time to invest in yourself, invest in a frontier technologies like data science, artificial intelligence, and machine learning, and dominate the future with these simple yet powerful steps. This should be giving you an idea as to what you are missing if you are not attending my workshop. Hi, my name is Manoj Gupta. I am Solution Director and Chief Data Architect, founder of Rethink Career Hub, and creator of Career Acceleration Mastery Program. I am a graduate of IIT Stuart School of Business Chicago and NIT Jamshedpur. Let me give you a super hack on how to get a high-paying job in data science field. Are you ready? So step 1, build a world-class profile, a custom profile that stands you out from the crowd. Number 2, build project portfolio with the real-world industrial projects, not COVID project, not hospital project, not Titanic project, nothing dummy project. No. And the third one is do lot of mock interviews. Be ready to crack any corporate interviews then. That's the way you can attract the right kind of employers and command the salary you deserve. And of course, you will be getting a massive hike out of this. If you want to know these secrets to secure a fulfilling and lucrative job in data science, artificial intelligence, and machine learning, click on the link below and register for my live workshop. See you in the masterclass.